You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Popular actress Foluke Daramola has reacted to reports going around the web that veteran Yoruba actor Ogun is dead. It was reported that the ailing actor Gboladade Akinpelu, otherwise called Ogun, died on Saturday after fighting unknown illness for a long time. Foluke Daramola, while responding, posted the trending image on Instagram and cleared the air.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. Thanks.